Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. This is Joe Brown here at Financial Wellness University, where we study the things that should have been taught in school but weren't, and how we can go from financial bondage, financial insecurity to financial security, financial freedom. So, today I want to cover the importance of having a business, why everyone should have a business as at least one stream of income for themselves. And the three main things I want to focus on today around business is one, you should have a business to be the boss or be a boss. Number two, because of the tax advantages. And number three, because the income potential of having your own business. If you want to know more, stay tuned. Okay, so we're covering the importance of having your own business, and the three primary things I want to focus on today is being the boss, the tax advantages, and the income potential. So let's just dig in right now to being the boss, being in charge, having something in your life where you make the decisions. Is no or no go, is go or no go according to you. Meaning that if you want to do it, you can move forward. If you don't want to do it, you don't move forward. It's your business and you get to have a say. Even if you don't have a say in your job or another business, you might not be a majority partner, but you have a say in at least one endeavor that you're involved in, and you have a part of the decision making process. You're an integral part of the decision making process, and that does a lot for your character. Does a lot for your mindset to know that there's something that you are involved in that you get a say in. You know that's important because you have a lot to offer, but a lot of times the people over you don't realize it, or too involved in their own thing to allow you to have the say that could benefit more people. So get into something where you have a say. Be the boss. Now, number two, the tax advantage. The You can be in a business and say you made, just for sake of example, you made $100,000. Let's just say you made $100,000 cleaning offices, right? Or let's make it even more of a upscale professional. You made $1,000, 100,000 providing consulting services, right? Well, if you work for someone and you provide those consultant services, your check is going to be based on that 100,000 minus taxes, minus this, minus that, and you only really get 60,000, 60, 70,000. You only bring home that month. And you're not going to be able to write off a lot of expenses that you incurred as a result. But if you are a self-employed consultant, now you can write off a lot of the books. You can write off the travel. You can write off the meals you had in meeting with people. You can write off the equipment that you use. You can write off your office space. So by the time you write off everything, you might only be taxed on maybe 60,000 of that $100,000 earning. So the person who employed and has a salary, they're going to be taxed on 100%. But if you have a business doing the very same thing, you can be taxed on less, which means what you owe in taxes is going to be less too. Now, talk with your CPA, your enrolled agent, your tax attorney, your accountant about all the specifics of how to take advantage of that. But the idea is that having a business, you already get favorable treatment in terms of taxes just for having a business. So we talked about the importance of being the boss, having a say in your business. Even if you don't have a say in every business you're in, you have a say in at least one business, right? The tax advantages of being a business. And the third one, which is probably the most important, the primary reasons next to being the boss, is the benefit of being the boss is you get unlimited income potential. So if you are the boss, that means there's no cap on your salary. That means there's no limit to how much you can make. And of course, there's limits to how much work you can do, but there's no limit to how much you can make, because you can build in systems that sell for you while you sleep. You can provide different ways of making money that doesn't involve you trading time for money. So if you don't have a business, consider getting a business and reaping the benefits of having your own business. Number one, you get to have a more say in what goes on. Number two, there's so many tax advantages to having a business. And number three, there's so many income potential. There's so much upside income potential in terms of having your own business. So I hope this video has helped you, and thanks for staying to the end. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like so that more people will see this. Hit the little bell so that you'll be notified when new videos become available. So thanks again for watching, and have a great day.